Exploring the musical genius of Irving Berlin. Hits, history, and heartstrings. Did you know a man with no formal music training shaped American music forever? This remarkable figure is none other than Irving Berlin, a name that echoes through the halls of music history as a symbol of innovation and resilience. Irving Berlin's story is a quintessential tale of American success, sculpted by his journey from a Russian immigrant to one of the most prolific composers in American history. His lack of formal training did not hinder his natural flair for melody and rhythm. Despite his humble beginnings, Berlin's career trajectory changed dramatically with his early masterpiece, Alexander's Ragtime Band. This song not only catapulted him into stardom, but also marked a significant turning point in his musical career. Alexander's Ragtime Band resonated deeply with American society, bringing a new, vibrant sound that captured the spirit of the era. This breakthrough piece became a cultural phenomenon, influencing a wide array of musical styles and artists. During the Tin Pan Alley era, Berlin's creative output was prodigious, solidifying his influence on the music industry. His ability to churn out hit after hit made him a central figure in shaping the sounds of early American popular music. Irving Berlin's tenure in Tin Pan Alley marked a golden era of American music. His ability to churn out hit after hit solidified his reputation, influencing the structure and style of popular music and setting standards that many songwriters still follow today. Berlin's early career faced numerous challenges, but his breakthrough came with Alexander's Ragtime Band. This song not only catapulted him to fame, but also reshaped the American music landscape, blending rhythmic sophistication with catchy melodies that captured the public's imagination. The impact of Alexander's Ragtime Band extended beyond mere popularity. It played a pivotal role in defining the musical tastes of the era. Its success helped popularize ragtime, influencing other artists and paving the way for jazz and modern musical forms. During his prolific period in Tin Pan Alley, Berlin's songs were everywhere. His unique ability to tap into the zeitgeist made his music a soundtrack to American life, echoing through dance halls, radios, and eventually television sets across the country. God Bless America stands as one of Berlin's most enduring patriotic anthems. Written during a time of turmoil, it provided a sense of hope and unity for a nation in distress, becoming almost as iconic as the national anthem itself. Irving Berlin's personal life was as colorful as his musical compositions. Born in Russia and immigrated to New York City, his experiences as an immigrant deeply influenced his songwriting, infusing his music with themes of hope and opportunity. Transitioning into film music, Berlin found another avenue for his creativity, scoring hits for Hollywood musicals. His ability to craft songs that resonated on both the big screen and radio helped cement his place in American entertainment history. Berlin's music wasn't just popular, it earned him an Academy Award for Best Original Song. This accolade was a testament to his skill in crafting tunes that not only caught the ear, but also touched the heart. In the realm of musical theater, Berlin's Annie Get Your Gun stands out. The show's success showcased his versatility and ability to create compelling narratives through music, making it a beloved classic that continues to be performed today. Berlin's lyrics often explored themes of love and everyday life, making his music highly relatable. His songs like Cheek to Cheek and Anything You Can Do have become anthems of American culture, cherished by fans across generations. Celebrities and musicians often speak of Irving Berlin with reverence, noting how his work influenced their own creative paths. His ability to capture the essence of the American spirit in song left a lasting impression, inspiring generations of artists across various genres. Music historians frequently highlight Berlin's innovative contributions to the music world. His songs not only defined an era, but also broke new ground in terms of musical composition and lyrical storytelling, establishing a legacy that transcends time and continues to be studied. Berlin's music showcased an impressive range, from heartfelt ballads to uplifting jazz tunes. This versatility not only made him a household name, but also helped him stay relevant as musical tastes evolved over the decades, appealing to a broad audience. His songs have become woven into the fabric of American cultural identity, often played during patriotic celebrations and reflective moments in history. Berlin's ability to resonate with people's emotions and experiences through his music made him a symbol of national pride. The use of Berlin's music in modern media underscores its lasting appeal. His timeless classics continue to appear in films, commercials, and television shows, introducing new generations to his work and ensuring his melodies live on in popular culture. Irving Berlin faced his share of controversies, especially around the perceived simplicity of his music and his lack of formal training. Critics often underestimated his compositions, but Berlin's intuitive grasp of melody and public taste helped him turn these challenges into chart-topping successes. Berlin's career timeline is a vivid illustration of his evolution as an artist. From the roaring success of Alexander's Ragtime Band to the poignant elegance of White Christmas, each milestone reflects a new era in American music influenced by Berlin's innovative spirit. Irving Berlin had memorable encounters with other musical legends, such as George Gershwin and Cole Porter, which fueled his competitive edge and creative aspirations. These interactions were not just social, but were pivotal in shaping the landscape of American music during their time. Educators today continue to include Irving Berlin's work in their curricula, emphasizing his unique ability to capture the American experience. His songs not only enrich students' understanding of musical theory, but also provide a window into historical societal shifts. Fans of Irving Berlin often share heartfelt testimonials about the profound impact his music has had on their lives. These personal stories underscore the timeless nature of his work and why it continues to resonate with people across generations. Encourage viewers to immerse themselves in the world of Irving Berlin by listening to a carefully curated playlist of his greatest hits. This playlist, linked in the description below, spans his career, showcasing the breadth and depth of his musical genius. We invite you to share your personal stories or family memories related to Irving Berlin's music. Your experiences enrich the conversation and demonstrate how his songs have touched so many lives across generations. Comment below to join this heartwarming exchange. In summary, Irving Berlin's influence on music and American culture is undeniable. From humble beginnings to becoming a music legend, his work continues to resonate with people around the world, proving that true artistry knows no bounds. If you're moved by the incredible story of Irving Berlin and wish to explore more about music history, don't forget to subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Here, we dive into the lives and legacies of many other musical pioneers. Stay tuned for our next video where we will explore the life and work of another iconic musician. This upcoming feature promises to further enrich your understanding of music's profound impact on our cultural landscape.